What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of USD CAD and dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently in both of this dollar pair has. As you can see that we see a significant trading opportunity in both of this instrument. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis, and then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade both of this instrument. Now, starting first of all with dollar yen, as you can see over the long term on the monthly perspective, dollar yen was in a very strong bullish momentum. This market is extremely overextended. You can see as expected previous in all my analysis, as you have seen, dollar yen was predicted for a big move to the upside. Now, where the dollar yen price on the monthly is a historically high price, and this is an extremely high price, we could potentially see a drop now, because when price in that zone, there is no significant resistance and the buyers don't know where is the target. So in most cases you could see that sellers aggressively sell off, and we could potentially see dollar yen probably will come back to this level of support. Even it could come back down to the baseline before creating any bullish move. So with that in mind, dollar yen on the higher time frame perspective, now we could see potential drop. Now weekly perspective, we see there is a weekly candle that is also overextended. From here we have seen aggressive move. Now the sellers selling that, and this is the weekly candle which is still half body to go. And what I think that we could potentially see a doji on the weekly, as this is the last day of trading week, and we still can expect dollar yen to continue to drop. Now daily perspective, this is the daily candle that we have seen. There is an aggressive move on the daily time. It's a big move followed by this doji yesterday, and then as soon as today market open, we have seen the sellers are selling in this market. Now if we take our Fibonacci from starting of the daily move to the end of the move, and if we consider minimum Fibonacci level is still dollar yen to drop on this minimum Fibonacci level at least, or maybe even lower than this, that can really give us a significant selling opportunity in dollar yen. Now if you look at the 4 hour time frame, as you have seen in my yesterday's live stream, this is what exactly I mentioned. Dollar yen is likely to drop from here, and we have seen that dollar yen has dropped from exactly from this doji zone. Now where we can expect an entry for shorting opportunity dollar yen, as you can see, this is 38.2% Fibonacci level. If we extend it to the previous resistance testing as a support, that can give us a really big gap for potential shorting dollar yen. Now as you can see, this current candle has tested this neckline of this reversal pattern on this 4 hour time frame. We have seen there was a channel, and there is a potential breakdown from this channel. So upon closing of this candle on the retracement, we could potentially find a selling opportunity on dollar yen, and that is what we are doing now, potentially waiting for an entry for shorting dollar yen to take this move to the downside with our students. Now let's look at dollar CAD, how it is doing now. It's like dollar yen, dollar CAD also, we see that there is a significant movement to the downside on the 4 hour time frame. There is a breakdown. So let's look at like bigger picture, like all the instrument, to see what's happening. Now on the monthly perspective, dollar CAD, we have seen there was a rejection in this zone. There is a monthly resistance, and from that resistance we have seen primarily created a lower high, and then we have seen a rejection in dollar CAD. Now this is the new monthly candle after the previous month's bullish candle. We have seen dollar CAD now coming down. So what we can expect dollar CAD to come, as you see, this is the monthly important level of resistance, now may act as a support. There is quite a few monthly candle opening and close, and what I think that because it's an important level of resistance couldn't break, we could potentially see dollar CAD is coming back to this level of monthly support this week, or in time nearly in next week or today, later today. So weekly perspective, we see this is the same thing on the weekly. After this doji, the price couldn't break the high. Instead we see a little bit of lower higher low created, higher high created, and then from this resistance we have seen a rejection. Now this candle is what I think that, yeah, you see there is a weekly double bottom has been created and then has broken out. So when you see a double bottom and then breakout, we can expect the price to come back again to the previous resistance here, testing as support before creating any move. So with that in mind, I think that dollar CAD is likely to come back to this neckline of this double bottom. So if you draw both of the neckline, we see potentially I think the dollar CAD will come back to this level. So if you look at the daily, now this is the daily candle which is already has aggressively dropped. Now we need to see for a potential retracement for shorting on USD CAD. Now if you look at the 4 hour, this is where we see, as you know that there is a news coming up today on USD CAD, and we see there is already a significant drop. So what we need for potential entry is a suitable retracement, probably a slow retracement, couple of dodges that could give us a really good trading opportunity along this zone. As soon as the price will do that, will give us an entry opportunity. We will consider shorting USD CAD from this zone with our students with a high risk to reward ratio. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.